Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy M35 to an Android device. By launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files that you wish to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you finished, click Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Then decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and then select Receive button to connect. If you want to scan the QR code instead, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close a node, allow camera access in the pop-up and then point your Android's camera at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!